Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to add your font on Google Docs PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to add your font on Google Docs? So you just need to click on the font option here. Then you can see an option called plus more font. That means add more font. Just click here. So here you can search the font by typing here like HA, whatever that you want. Then the second thing was you can click on the script. You can make categorization by here, or you can see a handwriting, mono, space, and here by popularity, alphabet order, date by added or trending. So you can changes the thing like this, and you can see my font. So this font I have been added here. You can add a lot of the font by just clicking on the more font. Just click here. You can see the font are adding here, and click on it, and your font was added recently here. So you can use this font by using this option, and you can change the font by this. So you can try this option on Google Docs, and you can easily add. Just click on the font and click on the more font and choose the font that you want, and it will automatically add the font on side. And you can also cancel the font whenever that you want. For an example, you can just click on delete option like this, and you can delete the font and click OK. Now the font was added, and you can apply for your font for your document. Try this option on Google Docs now.
Friends, if you find this video useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about YouTube, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.